Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. This is part 26 of the HUMVEE Warthog project. I made a ton of progress yesterday. I was very happy with the result. You can see the epoxy coat is on and it dried up real nicely overnight. So the plan for today is I'm going to keep working on the hood and the transmission tunnel. I want to get all that done. It's going to get a coat of epoxy paint by the end of the day. And then if I have time, I'm going to start putting in body fillers on all the places where the well beats at, and then I'm going to start sanding that down. So hopefully just, by the end of the day, at least get all the painting done and some body fillers on, and that will make me really happy. So I'm going to get things started. All right, so here we go. The back of the hood is taken care of. It took me a little while to grind everything down and make them look real nice. And then I spray on the self-edging primer. I'm not gonna have time to just do the metal treatment on it because it required to sit overnight. It dried in a couple of hours and you can throw some paint on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So that's already been dried up. There's a bunch of work on the tunnel as well. You can see everything is ground and ready to be sprayed with the epoxy paint. I'm going ahead and get the process started, get the paints mixed up. Now, back here, you can also see that that's already been worked on, grind down, and then sprayed with the self-edging primer. Same as the under the hood, I don't have time to wait overnight for this, so just gonna spray this on the self-edging primer, let it sit for a couple of hours, and then we're gonna spray the epoxy coat on. Here we go, guys. Painting finally done, looking really good. The backside is painted as well, so this piece is done. You can see there's well spots and a little bit folds here and there, but don't worry, all those are going to be taken care of by body fillers. And then we're going to spray the truck bed coating on top, so you're not going to see any of that by the time I'm done with it. Now, I pushed the truck back inside because it's gonna rain tomorrow. So everything needs to be done indoor from now on. Truck's looking really awesome with paint on it. There we go. I got the transmission tunnel done as well. There we go. Looking really nice. I still need to go in and put a lot of body fillers on places where you still can see a little bit of the well beats there. Not that big of a deal. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the seam sealer first. This goes on the interior. So this will seal up all the gaps, go over all the well beads. These are supposed to be hardened, but they're flexible, so it's going to be good. I'm going to get this on. You just brush these on. Alright guys, so here it is. The seam sealer goes on. You see that it seals all the seams, everything is sealed up. There we go. I had the other side done as well, the passenger side. Once I put the trunk bed coating on top, it's gonna look a lot nicer. Well, it's getting pretty late, guys. It's already getting dark, and I'm pretty tired. Now, tomorrow is Christmas Eve. The wife's holding a party, and she wanted me to go inside and start cleaning up the house and getting things ready for the party. So I better go in and do that before she shuts down my shop permanently, and we don't want that. So now the plan for tomorrow, now the party is in the afternoon, so tomorrow morning I'm gonna get up and do some work again. I'm probably gonna do the seam sealer for the rest of the interior. And then I'm gonna start doing some of the body fillers on the outside. We'll see how far I can push before I have to stop and go inside. I'll keep you guys posted on the progress. I appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.